Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you saw on the last video, we did have the GTR in the workshop. It was on all fours. This time around we have taken the rims off. That's because Z has been refurbing the rims. Last night Z came down on a Sunday. He started working on the car, just getting the rims sorted out. So if you look down there, you'll see that all four rims have been refurbed.
So basically the day before, the valves with the normal rubber ones, and we replaced them with the original tyre pressure monitoring ones, so they all been replaced. As well as that, all four wheels have been balanced, and I've also just painted them up as well. They had a few curb marks on there and the lacquer was a bit dull, so I thought I'd just fresh it up, give it a lick of paint and some lacquer to give that shine.
Yeah, and some of the rims, the lacquer was actually peeling off as well, so you had to basically rub it all down, get it nice and smooth, and basically get on with the refurb as well. Guys, this has actually come out amazing, to be honest. I mean, it's actually come out better than what I actually expected. So you smashed it with that one. So guys, if you do follow us on Instagram, you'd kind of know that all this was being done behind the scenes, because we didn't get on camera, but Z did do like a little snap story of each time he was working on the rims. So guys, what we're going to do is, on this project, we're just going to carry on working on this GTR, hopefully get all the parts which is back down there, back onto the car. So our aim is, by the weekend, just have all the parts we've got back onto the car, so the car will be almost complete. There's still a few things that we need to do, like test drive the car, and I think we've got one or two bits that we are still waiting on, like the battery cover. I'm not too sure when that's coming, but it's a small little detail that we do afterwards, but majority of the parts we do have. Before we can finish the build.
Yeah, before we actually could take on a test drive, we need to get the alignment done on all four wheels.
Oh yeah, definitely. Once we've got the rims on, we want to make sure they're all aligned, so we got to make sure the tracking's not off. So yeah guys, we're going to start the video by, Z, what do you reckon, put the rims back on, or what's the plan?
Yeah, we'll start off by getting the alloys on first. We'll get all the masking tape off there, then we'll start getting the wheels, well, the back one on. We'll leave the front one off, because we've got to put the bumper in and be easy access to it. The splash guard right there, that's got to go back in. So the back one could actually go on, but the front one we'll leave. We might have to actually take the other side one off. It'll be easier to actually take that side one off as well, because these are the original ones that were on the car. They need to come off anyway to be replaced.
Guys, if you do enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It does take quite a while to edit these videos. I think it takes between like 6 to 7 hours just to edit one video. So if you guys enjoy the videos, give it a thumbs up. It basically helps motivate us to keep making more and more videos. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get on with the work.
So you can start off by removing the masking tape off the wheels. I've already done one wheel right here, so we've got 3 more left. As well as that, the center caps need to go back in, but before we do that, we've got the logos that need to go back on. So you can see the 2 inner holes right here. So these logos, Nissan logos, need to go right in, and we're going to basically plastic weld it. You can see right here, there's 2 points. So I've got my soldering iron to hand right here. And all we've got to do now is just weld that up on all 3 caps, as well as this one. So I'm going to carry on and start removing the masking of the alloys. Then we'll move on to welding up the center caps. So the alloy wheels are ready to go back on now. I've also put the center caps back in, so we'll get the rear wheels put back on. This has obviously on the axle stands. Once you've got this wheel on, we'll jack up this side, get the old wheels off and get the new ones on. Once that's done, we start working our way down to the front, start working on that front bumper, which is right here. It needs building up, so we'll start working on that once we are done with the alloys. So before we start installing the bumper, what we need to do is get the air duct on, which is right here. So this basically collects air straight into the intercooler and cools it down. Sorry, the oil cooler. So as well as that, we got the 3 brackets that support the bumper. They need to go on. I did remove them as they're touching the recovery truck bed, so they need to go back on. So once that's all done, then we can start building back up the bumper, getting that DRL in. And we got the top grille, it's in carbon fibre. I'll show you that, guys, in a minute once it's all been installed. So that all needs to get done as well. Then you can start fitting the bumper back up. So we got the bumper placed on the stand, so you start building it back up. We've got the brackets, DRLs, washer jet, also this strip right here, which is in carbon fibre. So that needs to be installed. We'll start off by installing the DRL. We've got the brackets for the DRL as well. The washer jet cover, surprisingly, it comes in the original grey colour. I was actually expecting that, so that's a bonus. We also got this bracket that sits right here, so we'll take that one off. It was quite bent up. We straightened it out and installed it. We'd rather just do a professional job and just put the original one on, rather than just moulding that back into shape and having problems fitting up the bumper. So we'll carry on and start installing everything back up that we've got right here. So the bumper's all ready now, so we got this top strip on, so that's all done. I just put the cap on for now. There's no jet, because we don't have the jet yet. We need to order one in, so when we get it, I'll fit that all back up. DRL's in, so the bumper's pretty much complete, ready to go on. I've also just put a bolt in here so the water don't leak out, and just strapped it up. So when we get that jet, all we need to do is get the bumper off and fit that jet back up. So we're pretty much ready to start installing that bumper now. So the bumpers all been tightened up on both sides. DRLs have been clipped in. The indicators have all been clipped in as well. As that, the airbag sensors on both sides, that's all been clipped in. So we got to get the arch liner on this side, as well as that, the tires, we're just sitting right there. On the other side, we got the both arch liners, which are right here. They need to go on the top panel that sits along the bumper. That needs to all get put back on. We need to get the wheel obviously on this side, and also these three brackets that we're hanging right here, they basically support the bumper because the bumper is quite heavy, so they basically screw in from underneath. There's about 330mm bolts that screw in, and I can't wait to get on all four, guys. It's going to be looking really good. So let's get cracking and start putting everything back in. So check it out, guys, that front end's been completely fitted back up and it's looking really good. Everything's taken shape really well. So all we're missing now is that top cover, which is on its way, and the washer jet for this side. I've seen from the back we could get access to it. So all we need to do is remove the arch liner, jack the wheel off, remove the arch liner. It's one bolt that sits right here, and the washer jet literally just clips in, and the cover clips in from this side. So it's really simple. We don't need to mess around with getting that bumper off. So it's actually coming along really good. So we can start moving on to the rear.
So we got Miltec white pipes and we got the back box just here, guys. As you know, the one that we got on the car right now, it is bent on the driver's side. As you can see, it's kind of pushing just there. The left side seems to be fine. It's just the right side that's been pushed back from the impact.
So we got a replacement exhaust surrounders which are finished in carbon fibre, which will look really good once they're on. In order to get these on, we ain't got access, so that exhaust needs to come off. So for now, what we'll do is we'll just get the exhaust off here, we'll jack it up, get it on the axle stands, and get the exhaust off here. When we put the original exhaust back on, we'll have to obviously do that on the ramp. But for now, to get these surrounders on, I don't want to be messing around once we're on the ramp trying to get these on, then the exhaust as well. To make life easy, we'll get the surrounders on now, so we'll start removing the exhaust.
So guys, Z and the panel beater have managed to fit in both carbon fibre surround pieces. So if you just look down there, you'll see that it's been nice and tightly fitted on this side as well. It does give it a unique look. The black with the carbon fibre, guys, goes really well. Obviously the grey, black and carbon fibre, it's a good combination, and you can't really go wrong with mixing and matching those colours, guys. So we've got a bit of carbon fibre at the back of the car, you've got some carbon fibre at the front as well, guys. So yeah, the plan for this video was to actually have the car back together, but it's actually getting quite late now, and we were going to take it down to the workshop, but the workshop's closed now, so we can't really use the ramp. So we've taken up the old exhaust. If you just look down there, you'll see that the old exhaust is actually bent. So this side here, you guys probably saw it on the car, it was quite badly bent. It was pushed back from the impact. So this is the old back box that we've taken off. The new one's just there, and just to the right side of that, you've got the Militech wide pipe as well, guys. So the plan is to basically, on the next video, fit the new exhaust system in. Hopefully that Militech wide pipe will change the sound of the car, because right now it sounds okay, but it could be better. So yeah, guys, that is that for this video. I'm hoping in the next video he will basically repair the rear carbon under tray as well. So if you come around this way, you'll see you've got the rear under tray just here. You've got a carbon repair kit in here, and there's quite a bit of damage on the carbon tray. You've got a bit of damage here, massive amount of damage just there as well, bit of a crack down there. So yeah, hopefully Z will do the repair work on that on the next video. He's got his kit just there, he'll talk you through it when he does it. I think it's his first time doing it.
It's my first time, so
yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully he knows what he's doing, guys. So yeah, it is costing quite a lot getting this car back together, so hopefully that will save us a bit of money. How much did it cost for a rear carbon tray? Because I know these are really expensive.
I think it was about £1,600 from the dealership.
£600. That, yeah. To be honest, dealership prices are really expensive, guys. Like a little piece of plastic will cost you like 50, 60 quid.
And that repair kit was about 30 quid. So if that does the job, saving ourselves an awful lot of money.
Yeah, Z's been watching a lot of videos, so I think he knows what he's doing. So I'll just leave Z to that. Hopefully in the next video, guys, he'll be doing the repair on the rear carbon tray. So yeah, that is that, guys. The car is almost there now. Compared to the last time you guys saw the car, we are getting there now. We've got all the little bits and bobs together. We are just missing a few little pieces here and there. We are going to end the video there, guys. I know it's a little annoying that the car is not 100% complete, so we can take it out for a test drive. I'm hoping on the next video, the car will be back together. And if it is together, guys, I will tax the car. Once the car is taxed, you can actually take it out for a test drive. You know, see how the car drives, if it needs tracking, if there's any, weird sounds coming from the engine.
So before we actually take it down for the test drive, what we'll have to do is, first things first, get all 4 wheels tracked and aligned. Yeah, he's going to do that. And we'll give like a quick little MOT test just to see if everything's working as it should. But you can see it's worth doing that. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely we need to do that. Make sure the car's perfect. So yeah, guys, we are going to end it there. I will see you on, I guess, Wednesday. We might have a Wednesday video because we have bought a few parts for the ST. So we'll probably see you guys on Wednesday. If we don't see you on Wednesday, guys, we'll see you next Saturday. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuilds. And we'll see you on the next video.